Hello, it's Culture Mask. In this video, I'll explain spinning back kick. If you run this practice, you will understand the important essential of the spinning back kick. There are many variations of the spinning back kick, so it's difficult to run them all together. In this time, I'll introduce the middle backward kick with an awareness of the straight trajectory of the kick, which is unique to karate. Unlike the other kicks, this backward kick does not require hip flexibility, so it may be easy for anyone to apply. In terms of characteristics, if you kick after turning backward, it becomes two actions and is easily noticed by the opponent. So you kick with one action. Simply put, when the body swings back, the kick is already facing the opponent. And I will conclude with an important note for this practice. Before starting with this channel, use a video to support beginners who want to get rapid. And I plan videos to show karate tips and training methods for beginners. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it, because this video has the advantage that you will be able to practice and improve efficiently. Then let's get it started. Step 1. Check the kicking course. First, a side kick, aim and kick at the height that is easy for you to kick. Kick with your heel. Aim at the center of the sandbag as much as possible. Poor kicking position will make the sandbag spin. Turn your hind legs to face your opponent. At this time, be aware of the position you have just adjusted your aim. Still face to face with opponent. Step 3. Let's actually spin around. Now turn your body. This time the kick does not use the heel for the axis foot. Elbows should be closed as much as possible, because if you spread your elbow, your body turns really shaky. The moment he turns, he put his weight on the sandbag with his kicking foot, not really kicking again. Make sure the kicking foot is on the center of the sandbag. When weight is deposited, you can try using a wall. Step 4. Let's actually kick it. The key to this is to kick the ground with the rear leg and rotate the body. be careful not to focus too much on kicking the sandbag, as this will shake your body core. The kicking position is already decided in advance so that when the body turns, the feet already reach the sandbag, so don't be conscious of kicking at first. The only moment to focus on the kick at the moment of the final kick, as in the side kick I mentioned earlier. First, be aware of your body core, and then kicking at the moment of final impact. How was it? The spinning back kick has a lot of preliminary action, so it has a lot of power. But it takes some practice to hit the target. Kicking sandbag is easy, but a match is a different story. Aim for a kick that is difficult for the opponent to react by eliminating unnecessary preliminary movement. For this reason, do not rush at first, but take your time and be careful as habits are not good. It can be painful movement, but try to practice once a week. It's natural that everyone cannot do this part. The key is the ability to continue. If you can do this, you will quickly approach the level of black belt. If you think this video is good, please leave a comment. It will encourage me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.